Children, uh, we all have our strengths and our weaknesses. We should be accepted with all of that. But when we are proud of our strength and our power, and we try to prove that the other person is worth nothing, then the problems in our lives and in others' lives start. This story is also about something like this only, which talks about the north wind and the sun. The name of the story is The North Wind and the Sun. One fine winter morning, the sun was going across the sky, and someone crossed his way. And he was sure it was none other than the north wind. And the north wind stopped his way, and he told that he was more. And he started arguing with the sun. And he started talking about his power, that how powerful he is, and what is his strength and power. And the sun is worth nothing. The north wind talked about how he was capable of blowing away anything that came in its way, whether it was ships, whether it was the trees, the plants. He could uproot the old trees from their roots, from the ground. And at the same time, the sun was worth nothing. Sun also argued with the north wind. He talked about that how he ruled over the summer. He had all control over the summer season, and at the same time, he was the very reason of life or existence on the earth. We all know, children, that because of sun there is light and heat, and because of this heat and light, life is possible on the earth. This balanced heat and light that we are getting from the sun is the reason of life on the earth. But this argument did not come to an end. Again, Northwind tried to, insult Sun, saying that he did nothing but only shine in the sky. The argument did not come to an end. They kept on arguing, they kept on fighting, and this discussion and this argument kept on going on. Finally, they decided that they need to do a test of strength. The sun proposed a test of strength, that they have to show their strength. And what was the test they had to go through? A passerby happened to pass by. He was wearing a warm winter coat, and the challenge was to force the man to remove his winter coat. And in this process, the sun gave the first chance to the north wind. He asked the north wind to try first, and north wind was very proudy. He said that it was very easy and he could do it, and he in this process he started blowing with all his might, all his power, and suddenly all the birds clung to the trees tight, and and a thin layer of frost covered the ground. It was cold. The wind was blowing very hard, and in the passerby held to his coat tight to get warmth and to protect himself. Now comes the chance of the sun. Simply, the sun came out of the clouds and made the cold winter morning like a bright, warm morning. And the thin frost, or the layer of ice that was spread on the ground, quickly vanished, and everything became bright and beautiful. And the north wind just kept looking at this. And in the end, the sun said nothing much to the north wind, but only that, now you tell me who is more powerful. Children, this is a story which has a very big moral in it, where we may not talk about our strength, we may not show it to other people, we may not proudly claim of it, but we may be powerful. Our power doesn't depend on only boasting and people knowing it. We need to understand our strengths and our weaknesses at the same time, right? And we will discuss the story and read it in detail in the Google Meet class. Thank you.